If we were nocturnal animals, we might be able to see a bit better.
Well, their bodies have adapted to help them survive in the dark. Not all of them use their sight. They use different senses. Like hearing.
Bats!
Did you know that there's over 1,000 different species of bat in the world?
Whoa! So what type is that?
Oh, I've no idea. It's far too dark to see.
I know bats use echolocation to find their way around. They send out waves of sound, which bounces off their surroundings and right back to their ears.
That's right, shipmate. By listening to the echoes, bats build up a picture of exactly what's around them, including juicy insects.
Bye, bats!
There they go, helping to pollinate the forest, just like bees. They eat fruit and then poop out the seeds, which help make new trees, even at night. Whistling winkles! What was that?
It's only a hedgehog.
Well, of course it is. I knew that. I just got a little bit of a fright is all. While some animals use hearing, hedgehogs rely on touch.
Watch out for the tree.
And smell to find their way around. They've got a very good nose. Unlike owls, they have hardly any sense of smell at all.
Really?
Really. Superpower hearing, though, and extraordinary night vision. They can see a lot from very far away.